Hi friends, I am Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the new update which has been received in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, the update is of 12.0.3. So this is a version update which I did receive in the Poco X3 device. So right now, let me try to demonstrate you what is the size of the update and what are the features it did include in this kind of update. And if you still did not receive the update, don't worry, you'll be receiving the update as soon as possible. So just keep on trying every day, check the updates every day. So as one thing to remember, friends, as soon as you get the update, try to download, because once you delete the notification and sometimes the update will get cancelled, and again you need to try couple of days to get back this update. So this was happened with the other phones as well. So that's why every time whenever I see the update, I'll try to click download and I'll try to install as soon as possible. So definitely friends, in case if you're that kind of person who by mistakenly disabled this Wi-Fi MIUI update, so make sure again try to check again and again. So definitely you'll receive the update, and this update includes a little bit kind of system security and stability and the system performance. So there is not much big changes gonna happen right now. So now let me try to reboot the phone, and one thing I just want to check is that by using this software, there is a problem with the default FPS meter, so which is available in the Poco X3 device. So without using any third-party applications, there is a default FPS count meter, so where you can enable, but there is some error happened to this one. So I'm trying to see whether this error will be fixed in the Poco X3 device or not. So let me try to reboot the phone right now. So just for the curiosity, let me try to take the calculator clock as well. So it is a stopwatch, so let's see how much time it actually takes to install this kind of update as well. So let me try to click the phone. So let's see friends how much time it actually takes to update complete this one. As you can see here, the installation process is kind of very fast, you can see here. So the update size is very small, so there is nothing much new about this update. So maybe in the future, if I get any other good updates, then definitely I'll try to do a video on that one as well. So this is another phone which I have with me. This is the Mi Note 10 Lite, so which is very good. So I have already done so many videos on this phone as well, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. As you can see here friends, the time is about 2 minutes and 25 seconds. So the installation process is at 44%, as you can see here clearly. As you can see here friends, after I think 3 minutes and 50 seconds, the phone did boot up with the logo of Poco. So let's see how long will it take again to get back to the lock screen. So that is when I'll try to stop this stopwatch. As you can see friends, MIUI. And meanwhile, try to check my another review which I did long term using this Poco X3 device, and there are so many other videos which I did upload. So try to keep on checking the playlist every day regularly to get to know more information on the Poco X3 device. And very soon I'll try to do more videos on other smartphones as well, the Samsung Galaxy M51, so which is on its way to me. So I'll try to make videos on that phone as well. As you can see friends, finally the phone has been booted. So it took about 5 minutes and 33 seconds to completely install this latest update in the Poco X3 device. So let me try to show you the settings right now. As you can see, 12.0.3 version has been successfully installed in this phone. And for more videos, make sure to check my channel, and do check the links in description as well for the playlist. And that's it for this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. And finally friends, after the update, the inbuilt FPS meter got fixed, and finally you can see the real-time FPS count as well. So now I can use this FPS meter every time I make a video gaming test as well. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.